Hello, in this video we can discuss about 5 best small business ideas in Pakistan. Consider these 5 small business ideas for Pakistan that will pay you well if you started them right away. The number first business idea is Amazon Virtual Assistant, which generates $469 billion in revenue annually and has a huge potential for sellers. However, because of this growth, sellers have difficulty managing their Amazon stores. Making money on Amazon is difficult. To run their store, they require the assistance of virtual assistant. If you have knowledge and expertise, you could be hired as an Amazon virtual assistant. To learn more about Amazon and e-commerce, there are 5 free tutorials and courses available on YouTube. You can also join Extreme Commerce for free. Let's start learning today, anyone who has not heard of it. The number 2 business idea in which include food related home business. People like healthy food, cooked food that is conveniently delivered to their location, which is why the home-based food industry has been exponential growth in recent years. You can start a homemade food business with a little investment and focus on specific customers, such as office workers who initially need home-cooked lunches. You can start within your own circle and target small offices and locations that don't have convenient access to food delivery services. The number 3 business idea is e-commerce company. Anyone who has not heard of it, online sales present a large opportunity for e-commerce. You can launch a small budget online store for selling goods. In Pakistan, there are other well-known online markets where you can sell anything from electronics to food. You can join these markets under fulfillment programs like FBD or FBM. You don't need to be an expert in rocket science to establish this kind of business. All you need to know about is market trends, competitive pricing, and product knowledge. The number 4 business idea is YouTube content creator. Create a new channel if you want to be paid on YouTube. The majority of YouTubers make their money primarily from monetizing their channels on YouTube. Through these programs, rewards are given to content creators for each view or click of the ads that are displayed alongside the videos. Many YouTubers in Pakistan receive a respectable number of shares each month. If you have an original idea for your channel and can attract viewers, start your journey right away. Your content should center on the subject of your channel and be interesting and engrossing. It should also be unique and provide the viewers with information or entertainment. The number 5 business idea is freelancing. If you possess any experience such as information technology, graphic designing, or perhaps content writing, you might launch a freelancing profession with absolutely little financial outlay. For beginners, you can start within your own circle as a freelancer by initially starting by offering free or discounted services to build client satisfaction. You will also get some good reviews, which will eventually build your profile. Freelancer services are growing at a rapid pace in Pakistan. If you like this video and want to get more helpful ideas, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.